The major takeaway from this workshop, Resilient Shores, is that we are using the paradigm proposed by Carlo Ratti in his Biennale of the three intelligences, artificial, collective, natural, in a way that can help us, first of all, engaging as many people as possible. This was mentioned by all the speakers. This is key if we want to advance on coastal resilience, on ocean management, sustainable ocean management. Is really key that we hear all of the voices, including indigenous people voices, including youth voices, for making sure that we have a common vision. So that is really my main takeaways. We need to sit around the same table to use the three intelligences if we want to advance on also the goals of the UN Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development.